doing my hair na. Nagagalit siya kasi yung buhok ko nakalutay. Yeah, I've got more activity. Ayan, so I've got this customized tracing pad from Shopee. Link ko siya down below. And I've got them to make Aiden a pad where he can trace his name. Pero hindi lang siya name lang kasi yung set na binili ko is may letters.
Mommy, are you happy?
Letters. Yes, I'm happy. Are you happy, Papa? May numbers. Trace na ganyan. May shapes. Ayan, shapes. May coloring.
No.
So, madami siyang ganap. So, we will start with writing your name.
A-I-D-E-N.
It's Aiden Louis D. McQueen. Oh. Hold the pen. Hold the pen. Okay. Right, Aiden. Properly, please. And an L. How about you do L?
No, L.
L. E. S. M.
McQueen.
Yeah, McQueen. Hold on. Hold it. And write M. M. C. Q. Okay. U. E. E.
The last one.
This one. Very good. Next one. Nagreklamo ka? Narinig niyo ba yung complaint niya? Good job. Next.
Mommy, only the last one.
Okay, now we're going to school. Sige. We're not going to school anymore. To Lily School. Oh, you have to practice writing your name.
No, it's not the
L.
last. It's the last one.
L.
It's the last one.
E. Yung shortcut siya. Naglalaktaw ng 3 letters. Ang haba ka naman kasi ng name niya. I. And then S. Okay. U. What's next? No, when you write E, you start from here. E. Oh, next. E. And then? And, oh, A's
Where
turn.
did you get that from?
A's turn.
It's the
I got someone to order. I had to do it for me. We're gonna do activity after this. You have to finish this first. Dali na, finish. Finish your name first, and then we'll do the animal one. Haba naman kasi ng pangalan ng baby niya. How about Aiden use red? Very good. And then orange. Like a rainbow. Red, orange. What's next? Yellow. Yellow. Very good. What's next? Yay! Blue. Kailangan may mga tricks tayo dyan. Kasi pag hindi gagawin. Okay, indigo. What's next? After indigo?
Purple.
Violet.
That's lavender color.
Okay, but I don't know where's
How
the
about purple?
Okay, purple. Wow. What? No, you're missing this one. That one. Hi. You're missing. Oh, it makes me sad.
Here you go.
Yay, how about I over there? Slowly. I help you. You have to look. Last one. Letter.
Next.
Yay! Hug me! Hug me!
Let's find.
Hug first! Hug first! Hug first! Mommy's gonna write. What's Mommy's gonna write? Very
Good.
good. Very good. Very slowly. Slowly. Very good. Wow, you did it. Can you write your name over here, Aiden? Aiden. Mommy's gonna check. Let me see. I will write. Good job. Okay, all done. We'll do this tomorrow again. Lily,
Your color.
I have a challenge for you. Drawing challenge, okay? So you have to use your imagination to draw it to something that is not a 2. It could be
Like an animal?
It could be an animal. It could be anything. It could be a spaceship. It could be a vase. It could be a fish. It could be anything you think of.
Hey, mine was a fish.
Okay. Go. And then I'll give you another one. And you can make it beautiful with the pens. Yeah, you got beauty too. Go. I'll think of another one here. You can even decorate it, okay? That is a good color, huh? So, I like this idea. So you will write something like this. Parang it's not a butterfly, it's a, tapos may drawing kang ganyan. And then the kids will create something in their head of whatever they can think of with it, but it's not a butterfly. So this one, we did a, wait.
2.
It says, it's not a 2, it's a, tapos Lily draw a fish, and mine is a snake.
Is it the fish and the snake?
Yeah. This one. It's not a butterfly, it's a...
I thought this was a 3.
Huh?
I thought this was a 3.
So what can you make with that?
No.
You have an idea?
Yeah, I want to use the pen, the pencil because it's used.
Yeah.
And then yellow. A dodo.
Not a toto. Properly. Red. Good morning. Coffee natin is done. Gawa ko na ng breakfast yung kids. So for their breakfast, toast na may peanut butter and then cut ups na banana. So lagyan natin ng banana yung ibabaw. Anyway, ito yung ating coffee. Salang na naman pala ako. Laba again. Diba yummy?
When we came downstairs, me and Mommy were playing something with paper. We were doing an activity. It's like, first it looks like going to a butterfly.
So ayan. Solve this one for ate. So mga may hilig ng Belgian waffle na peanut butter banana like me. Ayan. Hindi man siya waffles. It's just toast. It's just a slice of bread. Pero i-toast mo siya with peanut butter and banana. Masarap na din siya. Inubos mo na yung banana. Not like that. No, you eat properly. Ano? Ate. Can you try if you like it? Big, ah. Oh, you eat your bread properly, okay? Dito si Sefi sa amin today kasi may gala si mother. Kaya yung dalawang bata, si Lily at saka si Aiden, nandun sa taas. Ganyan sila pag may kasama sila dito. Hindi nila ako masyadong pinapansin. So, magluluto lang ako ng dinner. Pinapakuluan ko yung ating baka. Magluluto tayo ng kaldereta. Ayan. So, usually pag nagkakaldereta ko, chicken ang niluluto ko. Kasi yun yung mabilis maluto and mabilis palambutin, kumbaga. But this time, sabi ni mama, pwede mo naman pakuluan yung baka muna bago mo siya lutuin. That way, hindi siya matagal palambutin, kumbaga. So, yan muna yung ginagawa ko. Papakulo ko ng baka ngayon. Ano lang siya, guys? Yung mga cubes lang na beef. Ayan. Medyo mataba siya, pero kasi yung gusto ko sa baka yung taba. Also, sabi din ni mama, pag magluluto ka ng kaldereta, ipaprito muna yung vegetables. Para madali lang din siya maluto. Hindi masusunog yung sauce. Natutuwa ako kasi yung kids, they love yung... Nagluto kasi si mama ng kaldereta na nakaraan na chicken. Nagustuhan ng mga bata. So sabi ko, you know what? We'll cook it again. Noong mga una kasi, ayaw ni Ate Lily ng mga kaldereta, yung mga masos na tomato sauce. Ayaw niya yan. Ang kumakain pa niya, si Aiden. Parang mali yung cut na yun ah. Ay, hindi, okay lang. Kasi kaprito naman natin siya. Aiden pa, kakain yan. Pero si ate, nung mga una ayaw. Pero, dahil si mama yung nagluto nung nakaraan, kinakain niya. So, hopefully, kainin din yung luto natin. Yung anak ko, mas gusto ang luto ng lola kaysa sa luto ng nanay. Pero gano'n naman ata talaga, no? Kasi, kami din, ako din ang bata ako, mas gusto ko yung luto ng lola ko. Compared sa luto ni mama. Sarap kasi magluto si, si Nanay Fidela. Yung mama ni mama. Nagluluto siya. Paborito ko niluluto niya is yung dinuguan na pinatuyo. Yung talagang nagmamantika. Sarap. And ever since, parang wala na ako natikman na ganun na kasing sarap nun na luto ng dinuguan. Tsaka pa rin dinuguan si nanay. Ano siya, naglalagay siya ng tanglad. Ng sarap talaga. Pantanggal daw ng lansa. Kasi ang dinuguan din niya is yung laman loob. So yun, masarap. Yun ang hindi ko alam lutuin.
I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, torn up sheets, all the feathers. There's a picket fence somewhere, nothing better. A dose of Chanel perfume and coffee in the afternoon. You way ahead of the side, flip it in the mirror until you get it right. My pillow's in the shape of you. I'm kind of afraid to move. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love, 432. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do. If I was in love with you, got that inside tunnel vision. I'd take you to Hawaii and be a musician. I'd know when to leave you alone, right till your left stereo. Will you ever know what I went through? Will you wake up in my bed in the afternoon? And I hope that day I still remember it too. Subliminal love, 432. I had a dream last night, it was different. It was you and I in faded television. I'm not in love with you. But if I was, here's what I'd do. Here's what I'd do.
Wash pala ako ng hair. And, ayan na siya. Kagulo. Kailangan talaga sa buhok ko, dinidifuse. Kaya lang wala na ako sa time mag-diffuser. Hindi pa kami kumakain ng oras. Magto 2 o'clock na yata eh. Based sa aking pakiramdam. Oo, magto 2 o'clock na, 1:41. Lunch pa lang namin to. Konti ng kanin ni Lily. Dagdagan mo, be? More? Okay na. Lily. And then, for AA, dapat sa bowl na lang. Kalimutan mo again.
Lipat ko na lang.
Si Aiden kasi, pag kumain, mas madali for him. At mas malinis yung kain niya kapag nasa bowl. Eh, mas gusto ko pag pinapakain ko siya or pag kumakain siya, nasa bowl. Tagal ko talagang hindi nagkaldereta. Kasi yung asawa ko guys, hindi kumakain yan. Tapos si Lily, parang recently lang siya nag-start kumain ng mga ulam. Ayaw niya yan, may mga tomato sauce na mga ulam. Ayaw niya. Although kumakain siya ng mga spaghetti, bolognese, ganyan. Ano pa rin, mas prefer niya pa rin kahit sa spaghetti niya yung white sauce. Si Aiden mahilig sa tomato paste. Aiden, come here na, eat muna. Give me that. Naman naman kung gaano kahilig sa tomato paste yan. Pinatungan niya pa ng tomato. Saan ang galing yung tomato? Oh, nako. Hilaw pa yan eh. Binigyan lang kita ng isa, kinain mo naman pati yung iba. Ano ba yung batang yan naman talaga? Try.
Mommy, one bite and what happens to make it?
It's a beef. It's okay, you can floss after. Ito talagang isa ko yung mahirap pakainin eh. Kain tayo. Kulang kami sa upuan. So, ito na lang ako. Hello guys. Tapos na kami kumain.
No.
Natatawa ako kay Aiden kasi gusto niyang magpabili ng ice cream. Sabi ko, hindi pa siya pinaliguan ko kasi siya. Yun na yung buhok niya lahat. Hindi pa nakapagbihis. So, pinakaakyat ko siya. Dalawang balik siya kasi yung mga dinadala niya, puro t-shirt. So, ngayon, tuwan-tuwa siya kasi he managed to get a shirt, pants, and underwear.
Mommy, I want McDonald's.
McDonald's what? McDonald's? You wanna go to McDonald's to get? What are you gonna get?
Ice cream.
To get? You have to say to.
To get ice
Anyway, I'm just... Sabi niya, come on, let's go. Sabi ni Lily, where are we going? Sabi niya, get ice cream. Natutuwa ako sa... Sabi niya, look at me, I'm handsome. Itong batang to. Kaya natutuwa ako sa kanya kasi talagang conversant na siya. Alam niyo guys, talagang he's gone a long way na sa mga ganap niya sa buhay. We're going? O, pa-start na yung car. Saan na yung Pa-check nga dyan. Biko nandyan yung bag kong bilog, ate. Mag-ice cream ba kayo? Gusto niya ice cream? What are you guys doing? You're okay?
I got a headache.
Headache. You have medicine? You have medicine? Thank you, be. Ayan. And then, na tayo. Magkilay. Grabe, kailangan ko na talaga ng makapagpaayos. Tagal na itong wala tayong pilik mata. Nag-ano naman ako, mascara at saka eyeliner. Kaya lang, wala na kasi akong makeup remover. So, naiiwan sa mata kong eyeliner at saka mascara. Ang tagal matanggal talaga. Dahil waterproof kasi sila. So, ang tagal niya ma-wash off. So, minsan, kahit na nakatatlong hilamos na ako, 4, andyan pa siya kinabukasan. Kilay na tayo. Wala ko na magpapilik mata kasi pag nagkilay ako, ganyan kakapal. Hindi siya bagay pag wala tayong atas. Ito kailangan na ma-wax. My God! Uy, in fairness, ang ganda ng brush na nabili ko. Meron ako nabiling brush sa Shopee, guys, na pangkulot siya, ha. So, kung curly yung hair mo, tapos gusto mo maganda yung definition niya, yun yung iba brush mo. Tapos, ginamit ko siya. Tapos, ang cute ng, talaga yung definition niya maganda. Hindi pa lang siya talagang kulot na magandang kulot. Dahil nga, sige ako plancha, tapos hindi ko na, na-manage yung curls. Pero, mas maganda siya compare dun sa mga nauna. I'm happy! Alright. Let's go. Bilang ko muna ng ice cream tong mga mahal ko sa buhay. No ice cream today.
Oh, ice cream.
There's no more ice cream.
More ice cream.
Let's go. Today is Saturday. And on weekends, alam niyo yan, ang weekends ko usually consist of resting staying at home, being in my pajamas all day. But it's not happening right now. Nasa rin natin si Nita Sasa.
Are you coming?
Alright.
Parang mas okay naman yun.
Sama ba?
No!
Perfectly.
Sama ka rin?
Donkey dog!
Sama ka rin? Kaya sakit
Ice
ulo mo.
cream. Kailangan ko ng ice cream.
Kaya sakit ulo mo. Ang cute talaga ng her hair.
Tagal mo siya hindi kinarl.
Oh, tsaka hindi ko siya so totally kinurling. Inano ko lang siya, yung pang ganun. Tapos, nilagyan ko nung curling cream, yung mousse. Tapos yung ano. Tapos ganyan na siya. Ang ganda nung ano niya. Talagang nadi-define siya. I'll link it on, guys, here. Somewhere. Mura lang kasi siya. 100 plus, 120 ata. You guys ready? You guys wearing seatbelts?
I'm not wearing seatbelts on my
There's seatbelts there.
Pretty please, I want ice cream. Pretty please, I want
Okay, Baba. Teka lang, wala pang seatbelts ah. Pwede mo makahatin?
Do you want one for me? Yes.
Daldal mo.
Natatawa ako eh. Dun eh.
No, Cassie, with Grandma. I need ice cream.
Okay.
Please,
Wait, opo.
I want ice cream.
Okay po. Okay. Hindi talaga yun siya titigil hanggat hindi ka sasagot sa kanya. Thank you.
Or just complete.
Salamat.
Here for you, sir.
Alright, thanks. SpongeBob. I think SpongeBob under the sea.
Oh, McFlurry!
How come what is there a hole? Maybe
You have a hole.
Here's smart.
Auntie, why is there a hole?
Because they have this thing that basta they do it like this. It looks like this to crush the Oreo.
Oh, yeah, I saw.
Ha? Kaya pa ako daldal ng daldal. Hindi naka-record. Ang cute talaga.
Talaga niya. Pati ito, Teo.
Nalaman mo yung walang gel eh. Hindi na daanan ng gel. No, welcome. Thank you.
Mommy, no shouting.
Ay, sorry anak. Kasi anak, malayo siya. Malayo si ate. Ate's car. Ito kami sa 7-Eleven. Kasi nag-search ako ng bilihan ng tubig ng yung Wilkins na 6 gallons na water. Kasi parang feeling ko, pagkakatanda ako sa... Ay, wala. Teka, marami akong bote. Bigyan na lang kita. Wala! Bigyan kita isa. Sayang din. Mahal kasi yun. Hindi tumatanggap Wilkins ng iba. Kuha ako. Pili na rin ako sa Camellia. Uy, ay taray. Huwag ka na tumanggi. Nari, pakipot. Uy! Uy, grabe ka naman.
Tandita sa camera, Teo. Saan ko yan?
Isasend ko talaga sa kanya. Uy, grabe ka naman, Hershey. May water naman tayo isa, diba? Ay, hindi, dadaan ako ng handyman. Mother's dispenser.
Oh.
Meron ako nakita sa Shopee, parang 100 pesos lang ata, 130, mga ganyan. Kaya lang kasi baka kaya hindi dumating. Pero tingnan ko muna sa handyman, kung affordable, at least meron na tayo ngayon, diba? Alam ko meron yan sa handyman. Water dispenser.
And there.
Maganda pa rin yung dispenser sana na ano, na pwedeng hot, pwedeng cold, diba?
Oh.
Pero, yan kasi, wala kang kuryente gagamitin. Rechargeable siya. Tapos, ano na. Yun na yun. Pinat mo lang ganun. Tapos wala nga lang siyang lamig at patubig. Kasi pwede mo tayong mag-ano, tapos ipipit shell. Diba? Or water bottles talaga.
Oh.
Mas tipid. Where are we going? No, here in Handyman. May bibilin lang si Mami. Wait lang. Walang ako ha. Yan pala sila. Isa lang bibili namin pero kompleto kami. One what? Nandito kami sa Handyman. Hanap tayo ng dispenser. Come on. Ito pala nabili yung ano ko. Doorbell. Ito siya. Nakaano siya. Ito ba yun? Ay hindi. Ay ito ata. Sinasaksak siya tapos yun lang. Di baterya lang. Didikit mo lang sa wall. Ayun na. Ayan. 350. Mas mura sa Shopee. Ililink ko guys. Bill. At least ito. Dito na. Bili natin, be. Ano yan? Ayan na yun. Hey Dan, come here.
349 lang pala.
Oo, pero mas mura kasi sa Shopee, 150. Pero at least, okay na yan.
Oo.
Para din hindi na tayo mag-aantay. Tapos for curtains, pag ano na, pag sahod na.
Come on. Dance. Dance.
Ano kami sa bahay, yung kids, tsaka si Sassy, nagpunta na ng pool. And naloka ako, talagang nagdala si Misty ng ng water. So, meron na tayong dalawang 6 gallons. O, diba? Wala pa akong dispenser. Kasi gusto ko sana sa dispenser yung nakatago sa ilalim. Pero, feeling ko naman okay lang din naman kahit wala. Dahil, may ref naman tayo. So, the plan is, open ko siyang ganyan. Paano ba to? Wala, hindi ko alam paano buksan. Remove label only. Tapos, paano mo siya bubuksan? Ayan, please, huwag niyo akong pagtatawanan. Pero binutas ko na lang siya. Gamit yung kuchilyo. Hindi ko sure kung gano'n siya gamitin. Kasi ang tagal na namin walang ganito. Before, ganito yung ginagamit namin. And, hindi ko na siya matandaan. Ang tagal na nung parang, wala pa si Aiden. So, ayan, binutasan ko na lang siya. Please let me know sa comment section. Ito, nahugasan ko na siya. Napunasan ko na, napadry ko na yung loob. And ito yung sinasabi kong water pump or dispenser. So, kahit wala tayo ng water dispenser, as long as we have this water pump, I think it should be fine. So, ganyan siya. Okay. Ayan. So, ganyan na siya. Tapos, foldable siya. Tapos, kung maglalagay tayo ng tubig, i-click lang natin siya. Mag-try tayo sa Michelle. Makakaloka si Misty. Dalawa talaga yung dinala niya. Thank you. Ayan. So, kahit wala tayong water dispenser, as long as we have this, diba? Maglalagay na lang tayo sa water bottle natin or, kasi kami naman, ng mga bata, may kanya-kanya may water bottle. Yun na lang i-refill namin, tapos ilalagay sa ref. Tapos, on mo lang siya niya. Rechargeable to siya, guys. Hindi na ako gagamit ng extra kuryente sa water dispenser. Kasi yung water dispenser, nakasaksak yan, di ba? Although pag kailangan mo ng hot water, mapainit ko na tubig. Kaya lang sa amin naman, wala naman sa amin na gumagamit ng mainit na tubig. Dahil yung coffee ko naman sa coffee maker. Or dulce gusto, di ba? Medyo matagal lang siya. Ayan. Pero, okay lang. O, diba? Tapos pag magluluto ng food, pwede din. Pero, iniisip ko, titignan ko makakabili ako ng ganito na doon sa mga water refilling station, parang purified water. That way, ganun yung gagamitin ko para sa pagluluto natin. Kasi sa ngayon, ang ginagamit ko water sa pagluluto is yung drinking water namin. Medyo magastos siya eh. Ganyan. Tapos, ito, rechargeable siya. So, pag nalubat na siya, meron kang sasaksakan dito sa gilid. May kasama rin siyang charger cord. Tapos yun, mo na lang siya. I-charge mo na lang siya. Diba? Hindi ko lang sure kung magkakano to. Hindi ko natanong kay Misty. But, I'm pretty sure na mas mura to compare sa binibili namin na water. Cutesy! Ang cute! Ito kami lang siya ilalagay. So, good job. Kasi na natin to. Para may malamig na tubig tayo. So, ganyan na lang din yung bibilin ko. Or sa Shopee, tingin ako. Ay, link it down below pala ulit, ha? So, yung susunod na water pump na bibilin ko, para na dun sa purified water natin, na gagamitin natin for cooking na. Medyo naglilinis-linis din ako habang wala yung kids. Dahil mamaya-maya, dito na yan sila. It went to handyman, right? Look what I got. This one. Get yourself a cup over there. Yeah. Tita Missy brought this. And then, like this.
Wow!
Ooh! You got this for me! Oh my gosh! Thank you, love.
Would you like some
Hindi ako marunong magbukas. Marunong ka magbukas nito. Nito.
Where is the flower? Wait,
Parang
do
mali
we have
siya
to
eh.
turn on give the flower this and then do it?
Open this before pressing. But don't press it without a cup.
Okay, we'll wait for you.
Thank you, love. Is that mommy's flowers?
Mommy, flower for you.
Thank you. Wait, we have to push the water back. Thank you, love. What do you need from the fridge? We need to refill the fridge again. At least we've got our waters. We've got our rice. Oh, thank you. Beautiful.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.